wako social media na de opebia wakoye na edru se ebia emra so ni mu a na ya beye hu dede kakra na ye de amanyosem abam na ye kire se de ekono emwa ye nyai. The big question now is de he na esi echi de he na esi ejai. That has been my question.
I agree.
Ma minti wo eno ho
akokwa de di kan sa asem we makasa asem we se politics ayi akokwa nya atemnidie nya kasa twitwie enya the show of disrespect me so po bia obu mampanyi no tia konwa isu pa emi o mampanyi jo Mahama. I respect him so dearly.
Yeah, me who's wedding from that. One can be correct.
No.
Me hunda.
Me frada ngoma se.
Right.
Avo ano so Kwabere East.
Okay.
Bon nwira da ngoma se amape. Na me fie me ameti here as regional youth organizer. Me ma me ne mabusuafo de omo hoho omo ho. Komi krom nsu tamu ahafo ano South East asua de no ma. Ye bo midin se na obi ani age.
Right.
Se me mpo. Yetimi bo midin na mabusuafo ani age obiti menuanom bitimi di wura ba bi mo ho to omo de a. Na nye Ghana mampanyin akonwa baako the next 100 years. Nipa betimi atrasa akonwa ne so. Enuru 100 years. 100 years.
Yeah.
So I don't joke with Mampanyi John Mahama and any other president.
Yeah.
No, I don't. Because the office, leadership, see you penny will kubiamwa. I think I believe in that concept. But what I criticize the president in Nhyira. Yeah. Nhyira and I me jidi say your politics yen criticize it, not the personality, not the show of disrespect.
True.
No, those things I am not for it.
Yeah, it's true.
It's on all platforms, no opportunity be a me and me too me mabunu for me ko campuses TESCOM meetings. I think that's what I tell them. So we can criticize the government, the president, the appointees are devoid of insult.
Yeah.
But you see, they are kwasune wo Ghana ha no. Ebiasi pen
Presidents
ebiasi pen. Esisi ya nya hwi ni nti no ama na edi esi enwanwa. Me worry no nti de kan nyina no. Se me hu no NDC communicator ana se NDC TikToker na o defended the arrest detention chia chichi MPP 1.5 years 16 months ni ya chi MPP for nko 17 1 month 1 arrest
omo ye den
1 month 1 arrest
omo ye den
1 month 1 arrest instead of Abai way Mampanyi John Mahama only Ghana for social contract in 2024 Abai bi eba power uko Ghana for na de wonsem aye dey akoto omanim me ba meyewe in 2016 Mampanyi na adu dan kwa kufu anu Dr. Baomi major campaign message ebe be mamu free education others na next ekenka ho the major campaign message akufu adu in his lifetime in 2008 free SHS, in 2012 free SHS, 2016 free SHS oba en so be in 2008 the NDC John Mahama and Professor Ivan Satamels one-time premium of health insurance. Ye to abama omo 2008 omo buy one-time premium omo anka ho asem bio adada sa na omo opposition. In the 2024 NDC ba no omo major campaign message ana Ghana ha unemployment maburu nya adwuma nye aban na ye bia na enso majority of Ghanaians omo nya adwuma ye ne doso. Enti mampanyine say obe reset Ghana say the Ghana sitie no obetutu ne nine ne nsa ne hwene no aye bibia for resetting. Resetting him no say 133 or the system be ba policy be ba Ghana for adwuma baako nipa miensa ne beye 24 hour economy 133 adwuma baako nipa miensa Ghana for budget ne so ye nyina me na me ka ho bi at a point in time in our government we thought if this policy ne beye adwuma it is good. The Ghana for social media year 2024 social media ne 2 year social media for nkwala sana Mampanyi you have been a beneficiary of social media and oka wasemi sabre Kevin Taylor nom sa nkwala bebre no mte social media e na wabedi Mampanyi no ne waban mo power afeni fanie in 2016 Nanado Danko Akufo-Addo winning in 2016 by September na Dr. Matthew Poku Prempe na po implement free SHS na Ghana kwala bia ko school kwa shatade kwa didi kwa me teacher ni Aduja Mfi secondary school me proud to 2016 free SHS let me say Akufo-Addo twantro but when they won power we won power in 2016 by September any afi na free SHS kwaso Ghana for enya so for so
but so muso start 24-hour market no almost sisi
yani akokwa hwe huye pa ne nkomo ayedie mani abre mani mre sada
adan
mampani jo Mahama ho brasiem wo beje power na wie Ghana for age policy atum e di tumi ama
yeah
after 1.5 years mfie mienu na yakoi policy a no yebusa 24-hour economy na adan adum ni adan na mu hu dia mu ka Koko akuafo wo ka kire so be mo 70 million from 36 million and they do 25 2500 wo ka kire school for teacher for so be mo automatic posting and recruitment and then kwala ne gufie nurses gufie de wo kan ye bia wo nyai ene mabunu so de wo ka kire wo ba se ye nkwafuom ye tie kurase no kwawale o se ye kwawale ne ye do asuboya e be fie ne ahome no a wo ne nipa no anhwe am na ahome a obekasa efie mienu nie bossa wo say wa anye ne nkwala ti social media no mo kasa Ghana for bu afu na afedi ye sa kasa na se ndie wa anye ne ye ka na wo chichie ya kwaso no o ne wa anye no hwe na kasa de nkwala ye ka ade out of frustration the failure of President John Mahama to deliver the policies and programs to Ghanaians.
I was said you be see aka no
kan say
ebi ni de wo kan
what can I say?
Say Mahama can so be say wanye adenti ni wanye ni ade we so obi amachi wo. But say obi ka say ebia please kill president for me. No ma bebre wo ha. Any comments bebre wo ha.
President John Mahama be so intolerant.
Ja.
No the president you say what you. But don't you say na don't you. John be so intolerant. Oni nipa ho abadaye, onwene nipa ho atimode abanimu. Say oba kra e chi no, oba ya no a chi ni. Mahama
ne wadidi Mahama temi.
I don't support insult. But o ma come di nipa o she nipa ne yaw no o kana semo a se no be say kan no you don't determine it. I want to say I'm telling you
don't determine it.
See, the kind of disappointment at John Mahama president e di ama Ghana mabunu no omo anger legitimate. The anger na Ghana for mabunu show no social media no their anger is legitimate. And now we can say, and I think I agree with him. Yes, we are saying propagation of misinformation. I say, "What can you do?" And then you who say, "Obi tra social media to me can say me anya no kore." Kroma. Say obi didi panya yet kroma. Mampanyini John Mahama, a beneficiary of insult on social media. Yet Ghana, Dr. Mamudu Bawumia Kramonia, ne ho tie na oya doye na ne ho ni asem. Malik Basentale no ne ndisi formlantie e ka kire ne so we plako yetu kroma kum nana do mayen nana kum nana do mayen sami jamfinom kum bi tai kum bi kum ene ya hede yi nipa o muti social media and o muti che MPP before so ko social media so akokwa me ne umi enu net so e di MPP before nkwala nkwa ne di atam MPP before mabunu nkwa ne di atam.
But must it continue like this?
It is out MPP ni na kwa che DC ni ba akom yenu bi aka ho. Na say dia kono. Afi de fani ye watch MPP for nkwa dunso. Ye kasa, hey, ye kasa, hey. Na ye kasa, dia na ide dia no be say.
And let's put this in context. For instance, Jeff Abako ne breme. Arrest asi o maye. Baba Mando de ya obetra manimo ha. Look at the picture over there. Na otrese ebia mampani wo mu aka ni nyina eye gay using that particular homosexuality, that gay no symbol no colors no on them to show say omo eye bia. Na some of these things who make it that particular allegations on social media na omo ebe arrest wa. I think that if you have a proof say ampa me prove ni say de me de to no, this is my evidence, is a factor. Nothing will happen to you, Yebejao.
Agokwa.
Ena, me pese yetie eye abaya ne de kakra.
Agokwa, we ni se means I say me on ma say de. Agokwa, say de.
Enu say me kan ho asem.
Agokwa.
Me pese yetie kakra.
Say de yen si akondem no.
Omo nhye dan.
Amesere say o platform is so member. Wo de enya na.
Because anu wedding.
No. Wo de tie man gas me.
Okay.
Binu ababa amando asem o kan yi. Wo de assume say wa post ade. Mampanyine wonye gay na ide. Democracy is anati o. No akokwa.
Okay.
Akokwa. Okay. Yen yin ati kroma ni me say mampanyine jo ma onye gay. no abrantie bia post na de nti o so ma police for the pick up kwachi ni free sunwa
me twa mo kuma se e bia me private life
we an intolerant leader leader uni abotre uni doma o my ma and I will behave the way current president behave how
samom
obi post to social media Dumso is back Dumso is back yet kromanom nkrofo niam go fridge mo say last week at the studio analyze cut off why did say Dumso is back in this country it will be post to Dumso is back e watch no this are intolerant they are cause wo kroma
but na me share that post no in fact there were elements we wo a na me feel say sometimes if yanko bit me dia to say Dumso is back there wouldn't be any problem Jeff no bremi but on top of it the caption on said the already be introduce you adia person can or say look at what I've seen I just want to also omon share the who Chapel Square now say it means there's something there na say BBC is one mona say bia Memfan say obi akosi signboard. Look at what I saw there. This is a billboard. Meba. That is also when he should meba.
Intolerance.
Sir, be man about. Next omo kono omo ehu sa de no wo ha. Next I said there one ma false alarm and false information bia. Omo ehu betimi afre wo se be kire ba bia. Ade na uhu ye ko ene ni wo because obi be si billboard I saw oji assembly approval ni ade nti so obi etimi akosi ni wakohu ni ye ko na eni wa say no to omutimi bisa na
akokwa de akoso me se mampanyi amamu na fono no ate omu opentema mamfie na na so no akopɛ fie ba bi atena let me tell you mamu me shift blame ni ma police Ghana police o ko Ghana police no omu nyina omu som IGP mampanyi na appoint no
say nya police for
me police asem mampanyi na edi bone come here let me be honest with you me say me here ba be omu chene
that was see what I just saw
enya we enya social media obi post enya hu amamu na fono mampanyi ni Gaddafi mpo wa mu man say Gaddafi Idi Amin mpo ai so obedi bone no wa mu man say ma what's the tongue my use the tongue kra no Asia ma won wa anya ni say ade mampanyi ya ne nye ade na koso yi Idi Amin wa anya ni say uni ma won wa Gaddafi ni no wa anya say yo ade mampanyi jo Mahama ye no enye etan
ba ejidi said ye youth ni bi ye no a eko no enye dia now how do we change it because the Americans are me boy ya o si ma me mbone nche da nya de ye palatable se me bone because the nipa na ye nye no e be den yetimi amansesan ya ba because enye de we have to stop it
how we stop it kan kire mampanyin ne say kom na de mabunu ni adwuma nye
ti adwuma ba
o ma na ni konnwuma na bose na wo say ne so why na aduane se nanum no odidi a obenya tamakota social media post de okay eya bufuo na aba Ghana for mabunum mama nka se me share this ni mampanyi jo Mahama I think I'm sending this caution from Kwasi or trying upon metime a trying upon metime yo mo ye no akukwa jado ye no do mo ye na nyawo
ti to boys
o so se be family mi na
the wo be kanu a criticism metiase but say a traitor may allow
na we dey hu de ba
nti na me kan me di kan dia
sha yes I me do mama kan say the aban we ye no and my mabunu ni bufu more
okay
there boy no mean these are observations I've made out of it
all right
just say subsequent days the basis see like the kind of words e be free mabunu no aba no go we yes o pam ohufo a oto ne be ma o say o pam ohufo obi wono ane ne kokko no akọ na chikakra ase obesent kwadi twa no akọ na chikakra so o push na odimirika ba wo so a madam we won
chede ba ko obeto
so no oye ne saa no oba wo so a twede a obeto obehwefom na ban we wonye careful
okay
Gaddafi amamu na adwoma ama pese obu ni kroman enye yie Idi Amin amamu na mampanyi roma pese obu ni enye yie
okay
enye yie o efise emabu ne do so chai mampanyi joma ama ne NDC fo what se wo mo bo wo di wo mo ka ti a wo mo ka
mama do
emabu no what disappoint wo mo total betrayal of the trust and the confidence the young people of this country nyan wo mu what betray wo mo is a total disappointment Mampanyi focus on the policy actualizing 24-hour economy making sure say Kenya ni jina so ama kwala omo ni Kenya organizer for barber for hairdressers omo nya bia adwuma omo sa mabunu omo ti social media yi omo ma me no papa no yakuafo kokwakuafo go and pay them twa omo ka
and also
Mankwala I am frustrated.
Okay.
And I know Sanja Nanja MP for Jiraha baby, Jira Akumadan. Or send a queer for no bro beans, you know, I can't wear Gufia. And only here man penny so be focus on. Not until when he does that. I think some of these things, agitation, and people will keep on saying it. But me worry here. So I NDC social media person.
Yeah.
We NDC communicator. Am I no NDC about your mama or good amamu? If you say the next MPP government are Dr. Mahmoud Baumi Adano, people will cry. People will weep. Among will be Johnny because yet Kroma and someone you catch a kufu adu Kromano. So the kum na do my school for Ankwalao. Timiko school is a kufu adu and somebody can't find a hono. Nina papa no edin.
Okay, yeah, for see mammy.
So we are this in me.
Dr.
Ubeka say. So I hope say now endorse the Gaddafi style of leadership. The Mugabe style of leadership. The Mobutu Sese Seko style of leadership. I ekwaso Ghana here. Yakasa no abechi and you fit do there kwane de. Mampanyi jo Mahama. Ombeti o maso dwen. Mo be den. Omo beti nsem because me platforms am wo so nyina no asante fo mabunu ene Ghana fo mabunu de jo Mahama ye. Omo be cast. But I want to tell the young people, more be ensure they shouldn't be intimidated by the detention and the arrest. And a car kesiye. Krababa wa no achini. Osi yongo to 1 million. You have 1 million Ghana cedis in Toleso. No go funny. Wajuma kraba 1 million no go for 1 million. 1 million. Bill conditions. Bill condition. Akwala na wo kate nso obefa na adwuma oba wo fa no. Na no fom ya oba nso ya che no. Wo de nkanya be mampo. Oba ono no oti social media aginani. Ya che no.
Oba de wontimi comment.
Oba John, wo yes ha. Na abadaye nyumu. Mampaji jo Mahama. Mama fanse police for them they act under instruction. Abadaye pa. Do you say Mampaji jo Mahama ni baba obeto ene sa. Oba. Hey, let's not run who nyina de. Ya won de atade foforo asa no. Oba. Na genye be mampo, be man kameji atum. Oba. Mampaji badaye nyumu. Badaye ni mampaji na ote akonwa isumu. And I think it's unfair. Wow, I don't think MPP ya petition international community ne ambassador ni nyina. De ekwoso okroma no. So oti wona wo se wo mfa ho a. Awoko anene ye de abaye so de ti abeka bie nyina ne se. E de afri mi ne wo su nyane so. E de akosando so. E chena e bi afri Monday. Me ko minimum po abusafo de me kekere. Minimum are usuru. And akroma who determined what is wrong? And akroma etie. Who determines that? Say by democracy no. And then come enter 79 JJ na enwe. Ye ti dictated one man room yes mpe. Mo me enko democracy.
TSCC forced publication. And your friend is saying threats no.
Who determines what they have constituted? You are constitute. Why not determine? John Mahama ne nko for ne determine. Me tie de me kan me dem hu say ya lese me madwunu mu da ho de me kan nyina aye enso bedu duara ne ache me adai o me teme
why na be teme
wemo boni abo mo tirimu no na ne nyina so my frustrated by governance na kaso they didn't prepare. They came to government without policy, without program.
What do you mean
adum they came to government without prepare. Out of the anger and the emotions of Ghanaians, and a John Mahama winning power.
Right.
When someone okay, remember 24-hour economy, no money plan, no money blueprint. 2 years in our teaching.
But as a mess about Raphael Safo Patrick.